Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Today on Ron's Keto Cafe, episode number 85, Chaffles for Life, I'm making a sharp cheddar cheese biscuit chaffle. Well, I have trouble getting these words out, guys. So this called for a half a cup of cheddar cheese, called for 2 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. So what I did was I got everything all mixed up the best I could. I got my little mini dash going, and then over here towards the middle part of the video, we'll come back and we'll talk about it, and let the video continue to play out. Okay, so here we are. So you can see that it was starting to overfill because I overfilled my mold, and I was just trying to clean it up as I was going along. And yeah, this kind of like was a really disaster one there, but you know what? It is what it is. It does happen from time to time, and you just have to move on to the next one. And we'll try making this again later on down the road and see if I can make it a little bit different to where it's not going to stick. But I feel over here, and then I tried to lift it off the little dash, and I was having all kinds of problems. And you can see clearly that it wasn't cooked in the middle, because if it was cooked, it would have stuck all together for me. And then I took my 2 pieces of paper towel and I squeezed down really well to try to see if I can get it to stay together. And I finally was able to get it off the mini dash. And then I ended up putting it on a cooling rack. I mean, it was all right. I did try it at the end of the video, but I wasn't really crazy about this particular recipe. I don't know, maybe it was just the garlic powder, or maybe it's the way I made it. I mean, I'm not really sure. And then I was trying to be careful to get all the mixture off the spoon over here in this particular segment. And, then they closed the lid, and then, of course, 2.5 minutes later, over here I'm showing you what they came out to be, what they look like, that one. The overall texture on the second one came out a lot better, and it pulled off a little easier because I had put some spray on the top of the dash. And then here at our 2 Chaffles that we made, and I don't know, I just wanted to put it on a plate there to try to get a good thumbnail, and I ended up taking a thumbnail off the video. But that's what happened when I broke it apart over here on the first one. And I took a little. I had a little nice crunch in it because I put that cheese on top prior to making my chaffle. And then the second one, I didn't notice too much of a difference in the taste. I mean, it tasted more the garlic powder than anything else. And anyways, that's about all. Anyways, hope you have an amazing day. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And things like this happen from time to time. It's just part of life. Just move on to the next one, right?